Ever feel like you're talking to a brick wall? You ask Gemini a simple question, and it spits out gibberish, or worse, nothing at all. You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of Gemini glitches and figuring out why this powerful AI sometimes acts more like a confused toddler than a sophisticated supercomputer. Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI model, is a marvel of modern technology. It can generate human-like text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. But even the most advanced AI isn't perfect. Sometimes, Gemini seems to lose its mind, providing nonsensical answers, hallucinating information, or simply refusing to cooperate. 1. www.robofy.ai. www.robofy.ai. Why the glitches? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Why does Gemini sometimes fail us? Here are a few of the most common culprits. The complexity of language. The human factor. Human language is incredibly nuanced. It's filled with sarcasm, irony, and subtle shades of meaning that even the most sophisticated AI struggles to grasp. Ambiguity. A simple phrase can have multiple interpretations. Gemini might latch onto the wrong meaning, leading to a completely off-the-mark response. Context is key. Understanding the context of a conversation is crucial for human communication. Gemini, while improving, still sometimes struggles to grasp the broader picture, leading to irrelevant or nonsensical answers. Data limitations and biases. The training data problem. Gemini, like all AI models, is trained on massive datasets. If these datasets contain biases or inaccuracies, the model will inevitably reflect those flaws. Limited real-world experience. AI models learn from data, but they lack real-world experiences. They don't understand the nuances of human emotions, social interactions, or the complexities of the physical world. The ever-evolving nature of AI. Constant development. Gemini is still under active development. New features are being added, and existing ones are constantly being refined. This ongoing evolution can sometimes lead to unexpected glitches and inconsistencies. The black box problem. Even the developers don't fully understand how AI models arrive at their conclusions. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to pinpoint the exact cause of many glitches. Common Gemini glitches. Hallucinations. Gemini sometimes hallucinates information, making up facts or citing sources that don't exist. This can be particularly problematic when dealing with sensitive topics or when accuracy is paramount. Incoherence. Sometimes, Gemini produces responses that are simply nonsensical or incoherent. It might ramble on without making any sense, or switch topics abruptly without any clear connection. Refusal to answer. Occasionally, Gemini will simply refuse to answer a question, even a simple one. It might provide a vague or generic response, or simply stop responding altogether. Tips for dealing with Gemini glitches. Rephrase your question. Often, simply rephrasing your question can help Gemini understand your intent. Try breaking down complex questions into simpler ones, or providing more context to guide the AI. Be specific. The more specific your instructions, the better. Instead of asking, "Tell me about the history of art," try, "Give me a brief overview of the major art movements of the 20th century." Check multiple sources. If Gemini provides information, always double-check it with other reliable sources. This will help you identify any potential hallucinations or inaccuracies. Provide feedback. If you encounter a glitch, provide feedback to Google. This information is valuable to the developers and helps them improve the model over time. The future of Gemini. Despite its occasional glitches, Gemini represents a significant step forward in AI technology. Google is constantly working to improve the model, addressing limitations and enhancing its capabilities. Increased robustness. Future versions of Gemini will likely be more robust and less prone to glitches. Enhanced contextual understanding. Improved contextual understanding will enable Gemini to better interpret human language and provide more relevant and accurate responses. Greater transparency. Efforts are underway to increase transparency and explainability in AI models, making it easier to understand how they arrive at their conclusions. Gemini is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize how we interact with information and technology. While it's not perfect, and it still has its fair share of quirks, the ongoing development and refinement of this technology are incredibly exciting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.